Good evening, people. Now is about 6:35 or 6:36 p.m. I really can't check the time on the phone, but around that time, 6:35, 6:36 p.m. Wednesday, 5th of November 2025. I'm not showing you how big the moon is. It shouldn't like this because it's going to be the night time. Moon's so big and nice and bright. I thought I'm going to do a little couple of minutes video on it. I'm going to do a short video about half a minute holy phone, half a minute holy phone in a way for to get it good. I'm trying to get it from a very higher position so I can get it a little better. So I'll say full screen like this better. So people are now getting correct now. Now it's 6:41 p.m. 6:41 p.m. and Wednesday evening, Wednesday 5th of November 2025, 6:41 p.m. Right? I was just averaging the time before. But now I went and checked the correct answer and I was about 6:41, maybe 6:42 anytime soon. Right, so it's around that time now, 6:41, 6:42. When last I checked, was not too long ago, was 6:41 p.m. 6:41 p.m. It maybe changed now to 6:42. Right? By the time I gave up, not too long before the light, 6:36 or 6:35, I was given an average time. I didn't realize it was a couple minutes past after that. So now it's about 6:42 p.m. now. I don't have nothing else to do. I think I have the moon looking big. I think it is full moon. So yeah, the on the moon. Last time I do it full screen like this, so if you're watching it from wherever, you can see full screen. Right? I don't see much stars around the moon, but the place is bright. It has been heated today. We got a little some rain yesterday, but not heavy shower. We got rain for a while. I don't really do a video on it. Right? So I show you again a shot of thing at the moon. Somebody might watch it and like it. I think today is full moon, the 5th of November. I think it is full moon. Oh yeah. Yeah, so I believe it is full moon. But the moon is a beautiful moon and it's bright as well. As you can see, the moon is bright. Cause I explained this a good few times, right? Why you see me doing, if you see me doing like live stream, or if it's not see me uploading videos, I explained this already plenty times, even in my recent short one I did a couple of days ago. I explained that. I don't want to explain it again. I could have, but I don't want to do it again. Right? Okay, so who you watch my videos right now and listen to what I'm saying, they want to know what I mean. Right? No, something like Augustus, no. Yeah, I'm still quite up in this video as well. If you not seen me doing live stream, it's because I am feeling good, like have a headache, sometimes I can't do the live stream. If I do get a chance to do the live stream, it have music playing, so I can't do the live stream. or when I feel to do a live stream, I am feeling good or something, a little bit busy or occupied doing something else, right? But no, I know I'll tell you why you're not seeing me, why you haven't seen me uploading any videos, any recent videos, because I don't have nothing else to upload. I explained this already. I don't go anywhere most of the time. I'm home. I don't really go anywhere most of the time. I'm home, so I don't really have nothing to get again. I don't get nothing else, nothing to record, nothing to upload. So if I catch out one or two little good shots, I'll do that. But most of it, that I can get sometimes even getting that, right? Right, so that's the reason you not see me uploading video, because I said this 30 times. I don't go anywhere most of the time. I'm home is what I get from around my neighborhood and around the house and stuff like that. I do that. If I get nothing, then I can't do nothing. It's so simple. So we can with the live stream. Sometimes me I feeling good, I can't do the live stream, or when I do feeling good, a bit occupied or something, or it have music playing and I can't do the live stream, right? So again, if you not see me doing any live stream, it's because I'm a little busy sometimes, or it have music playing, or I'm not feeling good. And if you not see me uploading any video, because I don't have anything to upload, right? Because I said most of the time I'm home, I don't go anywhere, right? So that's that. So I'm out, people. This is for the moon. There is full moon here. That's the 5th of Wednesday, the 5th of November 2025.